Hello again. So I fine-tuned one of my old workflows. This is for interior designer and it's working perfect. And now I think it's even better than Nano Banana because 100% it can keep your structure, okay? And also following your reference with all color, material, and also geometry and put them inside the space. So it was my input. I draw these color regions and after that I write some prompt for each color code and ask my AI both coin image and also flags for generating the image, and this is the final result. If you go to the WizDev, you can find the workflow. Okay, it's the interior design based on market region. And if you go into the workflow and click on use template, for example, you can select this one, okay, and you can select use the template. So here you can see that there are some colored region, and for each region you can write some prompt. For example, it was the refrigerator, it was a round dining table, it was the oven, okay, stuff, yeah, and also it was the kitchen island, and yeah, so this is the result. And you can see that how everything is completely similar to the reference because it was my reference. For example, if you take a look to this geometry, you can find it here and also here, yeah. So door models, geometry, structure, lighting, material, yeah, everything is same. And I have a good news. If you are working inside the ComfyUI, I have decided to share the workflow for my Patreon members and also the custom nodes that I have designed to make it happen. So in the early future, I will publish more news. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.